Hey guys, I'm Onyia, and this is the latest installment of Ask Alan. For those of you who follow me, you know that this is a chance for you to submit questions and have them answered by me.
Hey Alan, I was interested in ordering some Balmain jeans and I wasn't sure on what my sizing would be. I normally wear 36 by 36 in Levi's 501s. Can you help me please so that I don't order the incorrect size?
Based on my experience, Balmain jeans run fairly true to size. So if you're comfortably a size 36 in Levi's, then I would say to start with the Balmain size 36. Keep in mind the biggest size they come in is a 38. What's great is, depending on how you like to wear your jeans, they are offered in regular fit and slim fit. Obviously the regular fit will fit more relaxed through the leg. When looking for denim, I strongly recommend that you physically try them on before purchasing. Sizing can vary depending on the kind of fabric used and the type of wash treatment applied. So if you're shopping online, choose wisely. Please keep the questions coming. You can ask me questions by using the hashtag AskAlan on Twitter, Instagram, or the comment section of any of our videos. You can also ask me questions on my Tumblr page. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.